welding machine. Come over. So over here we have the desktop cold welding machine. This machine is used for welding copper wires and aluminum wires of different diameter. So we have the die here. So this die will be used to test the welding of this die is of 2.64 mm. So right now I want to fix the die in the cold welding machine. So you tightly fix the die this way, tighten up the 4 screws, make sure it's firmly tight. As it is now. So I want to demonstrate to you how I'm going to weld these 2 copper wire together, neatly weld it. So first I will take one end, fix it here. As you can see, the 2 copper wires are fixed properly and the 2 ends are meeting here. So with the help of this handle, I'm going to apply pressure to weld the 2 copper wire. Watch me. Don't listen. So the copper wires